Welcome to Research Watch. Here you can catch the key idea of published research paper in less than 5 minutes. I hope it will help you to select the paper for your further reading, knowledge or research purposes. Viewers, today's paper is about leptin replacement reestablishes brain insulin action in the hypothalamus in congenital leptin deficiency. Frank Bortleck is the lead author. Viewers, human obesity is associated with impaired central insulin signaling, and in very rare cases, severe obesity can be caused by congenital leptin deficiency. In such patients, leptin replacement results in substantial weight loss and improvement in peripheral metabolism. In a leptin deficient patient, the authors investigated the impact of leptin substitution on central insulin action as quantified by changes in neural activity after intranasal insulin application. This was assessed before and during the first year of metroleptin substitution. The results of the study showed that after only 1 year, treatment with metroleptin reestablishes brain insulin sensitivity, particularly in the hypothalamus and to the lesser degree in the prefrontal cortex. Results are depicted in comparison with the control group. In the patient, brain activation changes were accompanied by substantial weight loss, reduced visceral adipose tissue, reduced intraepithelial lipid content, and improved whole body insulin sensitivity. The authors concluded that the leptin replacement and weight loss improved hemostatic insulin action in the patient in question. This article was published in Diabetic Care in April 2018. Viewer, I hope you found this video useful. I would really appreciate your feedback. Please don't forget to subscribe and follow the channel. Thank you.